Ever been at a doctor's appointment sitting in the waiting room and wishing you had some classic games to play? Me too. Introducing Pocket Sprite, a pocket-sized Game Boy Color emulator with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It is small enough to fit in your pockets comfortably, comes with an OLED screen and a nostalgia-inducing 8-bit speaker. But the fun is with the unassembled unit order that you can place, also known as the Hackers Edition. Now both these units cost $54.95 since what's included in the box is exactly the same. What is extremely interesting about this module is that it is an open source extensible platform. It comes preloaded with a Game Boy emulator on it. However, given the nature of the system, you can write your own programs to run on it. However, what and how much can be done with this is currently unknown to me, so maybe you all can tell me down in the comments and let me know if you'll make some cool programs to run on this. It comes with an ESP32 dual-core CPU, 512 kilobytes of RAM, Gorilla Glass 4 for the display unit. The OLED screen is set at 60 Hz, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Low Energy, a rechargeable battery and a micro USB cable for charging the included lithium-ion rechargeable battery. All I/O including transferring of games on this unit happens over Wi-Fi. So you aren't restricted by the OS that is running on your computer as long as it can connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot that the unit creates. And all of this comes in a solid molded ABS case that feels good in the hand. Gameplay is a bit of a stretch on this at the moment, at least for me. In most games, using the D-pad was extremely uncomfortable due to its size. I always struggled with the left and top vectors. The other buttons are fine to use. The clicky feel of the original Game Boy Color isn't present, but it's a cognizable sacrifice for its size. The speaker isn't loud enough if you're in a noisy environment like a public space, but in a quiet room, it isn't going to be immersive, but brings back the nostalgia of playing on a Game Boy. I can't wait to see what people build on top of this once the orders start shipping later this month. Right now, all orders are in pre-order. So if you want, you can go check out their website. I'll leave a link down in the description. And while you're there, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, let me know in the comments what you disliked. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.